Animal Protection Laws of the World, Part 2, Animal Welfare and Protection Laws. Bermuda, Care and Protection of Animals Act, 1975. The Act requires the proper keeping of animals and their protection from cruel treatment. Bermuda observes the 5 freedoms of animal welfare, which are freedom from hunger or thirst, discomfort, pain, injury, or disease, fear and distress, and the freedom to express normal behavior.
Bolivia, Law for the Defense of Animals Against Acts of Cruelty and Mistreatment, Law 700. In 2015, Bolivia set this framework, making acts of violence toward animals punishable with fines and up to a year in jail. If the animal is killed due to cruel treatment, the penalty will increase by 1/3 of the maximum penalty. In 2010, Bolivia declared all of Mother Earth, which includes the animals, as having equal rights as humans.
Bosnia and Herzegovina, Law on the Protection and Welfare of Animals, 2009. Under this comprehensive law, the killing and torture of animals without justifiable reason is prohibited. A wide range of violations will incur a fine of up to 10,000 convertible marks, or 5,100 euros, and up to 20 times that amount for more serious offenses.
Botswana, Cruelty to Animals Act, first introduced in 1936. Botswana's animal cruelty law bans animal fighting and a range of abusive acts toward animals, making the violator liable to a fine or jail term or both.
Brazil, Constitution Article 225, Section 7, Federal Decree on Anti-Cruelty. The Brazilian Constitution states the government must protect the fauna and the flora with prohibition in the manner prescribed by law of all practices which represent a risk to their ecological function, cause the extinction of species, or subject animals to cruelty. In July 1934, President Getúlio Vargas issued Federal Decree 24645, a set of measures seeking to safeguard animals from cruelty and ill treatment, especially working animals. Among other requirements, animals may not be abandoned and must be given veterinary assistance if needed.
British Virgin Islands Protection of Animals Act. The British Virgin Islands has enacted its own Protection of Animals Act, with the latest amendment being in 2005.
Canada, Acts to Protect Marine Life. Under the Ending the Captivity of Whales and Dolphins Act, anyone found to keep captive, import, or export a whale, dolphin, or porpoise is charged with a criminal offense, with fines of more than $150,000. Meanwhile, another act bans the import and export of shark fin products in Canada.
Canary Islands Law 8-1991 on Animal Protection. Serious infractions include failure to provide proper hygienic facilities and inadequate care to animals, while very serious infractions include abuse and physical aggression towards animals, abandonment of a pet, and the mistreatment of animals in the filming of movie or television scenes. Penalties are fines of up to 2,500,000 pesetas or 15,000 euros for very serious infractions.
Chile, Law 20.3A0, Animal Protection Statute. The Chilean Animal Protection Statute outlines that the maltreatment of animals is a misdemeanor that can be punished by fines and up to 3 years in jail.
Colombia, National Animal Protection Statute, Colombian Civil Code, Criminal Code, etc. Considered some of the most stringent in Latin America, Colombia's animal protection laws of 2016 recognize animals as sentient beings and penalizes anyone who abuses a domestic, tame, wild or exotic vertebrate animal with 1 to 3 years in prison and a fine of 5 to 60 legally minimum monthly salaries.
Costa Rica, Animal Welfare Act. The act outlaws the killing or harming of a domestic or domesticated animal and bans organizing or conducting animal fighting events. If found guilty, one faces 3 months to 1 year in prison. In addition, one may have a quarter to 1/2 of their wages garnished for carrying out the breeding or training of animals for fights or not observing the minimum required animal welfare standards. Thank you, and may heavens bless and shield you, those countries that protect the innocent animals.
If we have missed out on your country's protective noble law due to unavailable data, we sincerely apologize. This list will be updated according to newfound info.
More and more awesome news for animals is coming. For more details, please visit suprememastertv.com/GCA.